Welcome to the 19th annual Oyster Roast in Murrells Inlet. Let's go check it out. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Murrells Inlet on this beautiful Saturday to check out the Oyster Roast. Let's go check it out. So once again this year, you can see the oyster tickets are sold out. They started advertising them early online so that they could have all the oysters ready for everybody, and it was $40 a ticket, and they're all sold out. So let's go check out the oysters this year and the vendors. Oh, look at those raw fries. Y'all see those? Brian, you getting that? Get that coming out. Look at that. Now, those are delicious. Look at them. They're frying them up. Hey, how y'all? Yeah, it is early. So, they got barbecue sandwiches, $4 with chips for $5. That's not bad. Basket of chips and water. Look at that.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that.
And
it's like crispy golden.
Yeah. Like we always say, if it was smell-o-vision, they were sure smelling good. And they got the Carolina Gold, and they also have the, looks like the vinegar.
Oh, for the
yes, the barbecue sauces.
Huh.
And here's the oyster line.
Look at that line.
So some people got here right on time.
And this is where they're going to be shucking.
We're shuckers.
You're a sucker.
I know. All right, now's the time for that moment you've all been waiting on. We're going to announce the winner of the Witch's Laugh. Drum roll, please. For the Witch's Walk 2023 laugh. And it's Dawn, number 7, Dawn. Congratulations and thank you so much for participating. And thank you, subscribers, for helping us choose the best Witch's Laugh. Tell her what she's won.
You've won a $50 gift certificate to anywhere your broom can take you around the Myrtle Beach area.
That's awesome. And we also have some small bags for those little witches that did that perfect laugh too.
That's right.
Make sure, Dawn, that you contact us below.
Right, on the, I guess the email or whatever we put at the bottom.
On the email description below to get your prize. And thank you for everyone who participated in the Witch's Laugh.
Right, and get ready for next year.
That's right, witches. Go ahead and get ready. And since that was so much fun, we're also going to do a Santa crawl. So guys, get your voices ready for that perfect
ho, ho, ho.
So you too can win something.
Up here in the same location, the Marsh Walk, when they do the Santa crawl.
Which is December the 9th.
Now let's get back to the Oyster Roast here in Murrells Inlet.
Let's go check it out. As you can see, I wanted to bring this up and see today if they've already started decorating because they're going to do the lights on the Murrells Inlet Boardwalk. And
Marsh Walk?
Marsh Walk, yeah, thanks. And so, look here. We'll have to come down. They're going to do that lighting thing again. Yep. So, isn't that cool? See?
And here's another line.
Oh, wow. So, as you can tell, once again, we got out here very early So it's just now starting to get packed and people are starting to come in and do some shopping and just standing in those long lines. Try to avoid those long lines. And it's probably about, what would you say, 67 degrees out here today?
I think it's 67. It's supposed to get up to 70 maybe.
It's a bit chilly, but it is nice and sunny.
You can see some people still in shorts while others have jackets on. So you can pick and choose what you want to wear today.
That's right.
You got your smoked city foods, kettle corn, juniper pies, gifts, makeup, and much, much more.
Remember, you always see her. This is my girl, Nikki. And if you need lipstick, it won't come off on your hands. And makeup that won't come off.
Yes.
Give her a call.
Skincare and everything. She's the one to call.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, dang. That's the kind of lady he likes. Look at those nice oysters, and they're good size.
Awesome.
Y'all about to tear
Oh,
into
and
them.
look. Now, how many years have y'all been coming to this?
My second year.
Your second year.
This is my first, and I'm loving it already.
And she's already ready to share her bucket.
I hear you.
What'd you tell them again? Say that again.
I said I will share my bucket with anyone. Love it. I'm a sharer.
See there?
You're a sucker and a sharer.
There you go. There you go.
Well, y'all enjoy it and have fun.
Thank you so much.
As the lines are getting longer and the crowd is getting larger, I guess we're gonna go ahead and try ourselves some oysters, and we're gonna end this video. So there you have it. That was a look at the 19th annual Murrells Inlet Oyster Roast. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so it'll go out to your friends, family, and even those you haven't met yet. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so you too can keep beaching. See you in the next video. I used to not like Bloody Marys, but now they're delicious. This is from the Wicked Tuna. $5 big box.
$5.50.
$5.50. Check it out. been doing good?